Hello everyone. In this series of video tutorials, you will learn how to use the tunnel module of ESurvey Civil Tools. Welcome to the video tutorial about how to prepare the drawing to create a tunnel section. First, you need to create polygons of each chainage actual cut area, profile and lining polygon in CAD package in 1:1 scale. Draw closed polygons representing profile and actual work done. In tunnel module, up to 5 layers are supported, that is, layer 1 to layer 5. Move these polygons to layers between layer 1 to layer 5. Before exporting the polygon information to interface, to help the application identify each vertex, you should insert the tunnel block with attribute section number, datum value, and insertion distance. Run ITS command to insert a tunnel block. Select a point to insert the tunnel block. Type the section number, datum value, and chainage at insertion. A tunnel block will be inserted. Attach polygons to layer 1 to layer 5 using ATTLI command. Select the section object and the section lines to attach the polygons to the section object. Using a set of Lisp command, you have to create the required data. These commands can be executed from the menu interface, or you can execute them from the command line. Exporting boundaries from CAD to ESurvey Civil Tools interface. Once the drawing is done, all information can be exported to ESurvey Civil Tools interface. Run the EXTS command. Select all the tunnel objects to export the vertex information of attached polygons to the ESurvey Civil Tools interface. Thank you for watching this video. In this video tutorial, you have learned how to prepare the drawing to create a tunnel section. In the next video, you will learn how to import the data in ESurvey Civil Tools interface.